So, anyways, the thing had to stop, so I had to do it all over again. So, I got me a salad, a chicken salad. This is so bomb. Except I don't see my avocado on here. We usually get avocado. Oh, wow. And I got me an orange bang. Super old school. So, actually, okay, so I went from orange bang to orange whip. I grew up on orange bang. I would always get it, actually. So, it's so bomb. And I also got me my sriracha. Sriracha. Spinach. Some chile marillos. I'm just going for a little bit. Where's my avocado? I thought it comes with avocado. Um, and all the food right here is good. Everything right here on the menu is homemade. So, my dad's favorite place. I said it in the first video, but it cut me off, so I had to do it again. Comes with huevito, pickles, tomato pads, spinach. I just came back from the clinic again. I honestly don't know what is wrong. At all. I really want an avocado. So I'm grateful for another day. Sorry, the phone fell. Let me put this. Just put a little bit like that. I don't want the phone to fall. So I'm just like, at my age, I really shouldn't be dealing with negative vibes. I don't like it. I shouldn't have to accept it. But we're gonna move forward. We're moving forward. It's like to top it off, like dealing with health problems and stuff. The way we talk, I would always get this all the time. chile doraditos. This is spicy. So it's spicy for now. Here's right here in slow. And here burgers. Let's get some of this a little bit. I really need all around. A little bit goes a long way. I honestly like, when I eat salads, I honestly like to taste the salad. High protein salad. I mean, they did it with avocado, which they usually do. I think I'm down to like my very, very last. Just done with the sriracha. I put sriracha ranch. That would be bad. Like your sushi. Oh my god. So tomorrow's the third game. So the Dodgers, they won yesterday. 5-1. Can't believe it. I don't know, like, if they win tomorrow, do they win or do they keep going? If they win tomorrow, I don't think there's no chance of the other team catching it. Plus, they're going to be home. I don't know. I don't think it's done. I think they won. I couldn't watch the game yesterday, though. I searched on Facebook, like, to streaming. They didn't have it. I just kept refreshing the memory to check the score. So I don't know yet. We also have a strip of tomatoes right here. I think it's this way. And it's low income. We put everything in there. Whatever you want. I remember I went over there with my friend. I don't remember if I had a cocktail or what, but we got these first. It's actually 2 tamales. I ate a lot yesterday. A lot. I was even like, are these the shorts I'm gonna give me? They were actually jeans, but I cut them into shorts. Ooh, it's hot. Excuse me. I'm a size 16. It's really hot. It's probably gonna kill my stomach. There's so much chicken in there. There's also a Chinese thing in here. Chinese food restaurant, Canton City. Okay. I don't know that news. I don't think I've opened there, but I have takeout already. Actually, it's not. Chicken bomb. A couple of local chicken. It is good. It is healthy for you, but not bad. That is high in cholesterol. Cool. have a chocolate and everything here too, and mica and all that. But I like Orange Bay. Mm. I like chocolate too. But today I want an Orange Bay. It's basically with the sriracha. I just thought I'd put some because I don't want it to go to waste. Shit, it's not gonna stay here. Bitch. Is that another chicken? No. Let's have another piece. So from here, I just going to go back. I really have no plans. Drive back. I feel that there is open, so I could probably chill in the neighborhood a little bit. That's too hot. Now sometimes you eat chilies and then the next bite is not so spicy. Or really spicy. Like it overpowered the food. Oh, there you go. We got a monster in this one. Oh, I don't know. charge mostly everything. These are bomb. I can't do it. They're ready for it. That was a dramatic change on the music. I went to like R&B. It's cool as this. Usually, I should take them, but besides something to do later on, but these are really hot. Those two legs. Didn't say how much I have. Well, it's 1965. Card balance 26.97. There's still like another million. So actually just like get little dollars and stuff from the dollar store. So I'm pretty sure I still have like a week or more. Just a buy out here. I don't know who that music is for, but yeah, guys, that is my mutton. Yeah.